Hello students, in this we are going to study graph displacement versus time. We are related with this question. A body is thrown upward, it's going upward, coming back and to the ground. This is body is thrown from the height edge. So in this question, at this point time is 0, at time t equals 0, we have taken from this upward direction is positive, displacement is from this is the displacement negative, acceleration is negative. So in this case, at t equals 0, this is the time t0, displacement, this I have taken time t, this is t, this is the time axis, this is the time axis. So at t equals 0, this is the time axis. So at t equals 0, the position is at this point. At this point, this is position. This I have taken as 0, 0. So this is the 0. When you are throwing this upward at time u upon g, this is the u upon z. At u upon z, body is reaching over here, velocity is 0, and it is retarding and reaching over here. So this is the graph, displacement time graph. This is retardation. At this point, velocity is 0, and now at this point, time is u upon z. Now it's come back again, u upon z time will be. So the total time from this to this is total twice u upon z. At twice u upon z, body again reaching at this point. That is at this point. The same. That is this at this point displacement is 0. This is time and this is x positive and x negative. Now further it's coming downwards and reaching over here. So further now displacement is negative. So after this line it's coming downwards. You may remove if you wish. You may remove it. So it is coming downwards, and at this point it is a ground level. My displacement, it is coming from this to this, displacement is minus h. I have shown where minus h, and time is for the t dash. So curve will be same, because through our journey acceleration is z, and you can say minus z because it is acting downwards. So this is the graph displacement versus time. Now we'll study graph distance versus time and speed versus time. Hello students, in this we are going to study the graph distance versus time. So in this question, a body is thrown upward, it is reaching over here, so it is retarding. So this is the retardation. Next, it's coming back, it is accelerating. So this is the acceleration, and further it's moving at distance h under the same acceleration, with same acceleration. So it is moving from this to this. This is the h. In distance time graph, distance is never negative. Displacement is positive and negative, but distance is never negative. So this accelerated graph you will show, means is speed up graph you are showing. So this is height is the h, this is the u square upon 2g height. With u velocity you are throwing body upward, so it will reach over here. This height will be u square upon 2g. So u square upon 2g, and further distance is u square upon 2g. So this is twice of u square upon 2g, and further distance is h. So further this is the h. So this is twice u square upon 2g plus s. This is and this to this time is u upon z. This is u upon z. Further it is coming u upon z. So u upon z and u upon z, that is twice u upon z. And further it is coming over here. So total time, so t, this is the t days. In the previous derivation, I have taught to you what is the value of t days. If you want to know what is the value of t days in derivation, so I can represent this one minute, please. I am showing you. This is total time t days is, this is t days is t plus root t square 8h upon g plus 8h upon z whole upon 2. Whole upon 2. I am removing this h. So now this is time t, total time, whole journey, going, coming and coming. This is, so t plus root t square plus 8h upon g whole upon 2, and in this time t equal twice u upon z. This derivation I have told you already, so no need to derive further. This I have taught total, we have received, we have derived the total time. This is the total time, going, coming and this. So this is the distance time graph. So next we are going to study speed time graph. Yes, students, in this case we are going to study graphs. If there is a body, it is thrown upward, it's reaching, and from height h it is thrown, it is going, it stops or come back and then come to the ground. So velocity versus time graph. In this, the body is at the t equals 0, velocity is measured, that is the u. With u velocity you are throwing this, and over here it becomes 0. So measure velocity, and later on velocity it is reducing, but let's slow down is taking place, but velocity direction is positive. So from this is the velocity direction is positive, velocity is positive, upward direction you have taken positive, this is the positive, but speed is coming down, slowing down. So next it's reaching over here, velocity is 0, and time from this to this is u upon z, and further it is coming back. At this point time, total time is twice u upon z. At this point same will be, velocity is negative but speed is same u and u returning back. So the velocity at this point, velocity was u, at this point is also velocity will be same, speed will be, velocity will be negative, that is minus u upon z, and this is also negative velocity, and later on it's reaching at this point, means at the ground. Here velocity v equal u plus at, and one more relation you can use, v square equal u square plus twice as. So here is g and h. So velocity, it's reaching at this point, velocity is v equal minus root u square plus twice gh, and minus sign because it is direction is downwards. So this is the total graph, velocity versus time. In this is a straight line, and this represents throughout motion. In VT graph, straight line represents acceleration, this represents constant acceleration, and acceleration is negative, downward direction taken negative, that is g. Okay, please, if you have any doubt, please clear, I'll inform you. I'll give you all informations, please comment me. Okay, best of luck. This graph is speed versus time. Speed versus time. For your kind information, speed is never negative. At the t equals 0, a body is thrown upward. So at this point, t is 0. At t0, velocity is u. This is the velocity. You can say speed. At this point, velocity is 0 and time u upon z. So at u upon z, velocity is its body reducing, and by slowing down at this point, velocity is 0. So that time u upon z, velocity is 0. It is reducing, and again it is coming downwards. It is accelerating under gravity. So this further. And this is, if this angle is theta, this is also theta. So that is tan theta is in VT graph, tan theta is z. So in this case, it's accelerating downwards. Whether body is reaching at this point, same velocity will be. So going upward, velocity at this point is u. So coming down, velocity will be negative, but speed will be same. That is a u only. So this is the u. At now time is twice u upon z plus u upon z, twice u upon z. So at time u upon z, velocity is, that is speed is same u. And further, speed is never negative, and speed is increasing. And at this point, maximum speed will be, and that is the speed is increasing under the same acceleration. Acceleration is constant, that is z. And at this point, this is speed is, that is u square upon u square plus 2gs. That is, I have received this from v square equal u square plus twice as. By this theorem, equation, you have got velocity, maximum velocity at this point at the ground is this. And the time through whole journey, whole flight, time is t equal this. We have derived it, and t equal twice u upon g. Capital T. T dash equal this. This is the total time at this point. And this is the speed time graph. In case you have any doubt, please clear to me. And now acceleration time graph. So sorry, acceleration is in this. You have taken upward direction positive, downward direction negative, and acceleration is under gravity. And so you can show later this is minus z, acceleration and time, acceleration versus time graph. So in this you may represent it, this is the time, so m. So you may, so in this is acceleration versus time, so this is minus z, and throughout journey acceleration is g under gravity, that is a constant. I have taken over minus g. Okay, best of luck. Please subscribe, and if you have any doubt, any confusion, please tell me. I'll try my best to clear it. Okay, best of luck.